Imagine waking up one day to find that your programming skills are outdated and no longer in demand. Sounds terrifying, right? With technology evolving at lightning speed, the languages you know today might not secure your future. So, which programming languages will dominate 2025? Let's dive into the must-learn skills. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, and the programming world is no exception. What was considered cutting edge just a few years ago is now being replaced by faster, smarter, and more efficient languages. The demand for skilled developers is skyrocketing, but not all programming languages are created equal. Some are fading into obscurity, while others are emerging as the future of tech. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, land high-paying jobs, and future-proof your career, you need to know which languages are set to dominate in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your coding journey or an experienced developer aiming to expand your expertise, learning the right language can be a game changer. But here's the twist. Some of the languages you expect to be on this list may no longer hold their top spot, and a few unexpected ones are rising faster than ever. The real question is, are you ready to adapt and evolve with the industry? In this video, we'll break down the top 5 most in-demand programming languages for 2025, why they matter, where they are used, and how mastering them can set you apart from the competition. Let's get started. A decade ago, learning a programming language almost guaranteed a secure job in tech. Mastering C++, Java, or Python meant you had the skills to build software, develop websites, or even dive into artificial intelligence. But times have changed. Technology is evolving faster than ever, and the demand for specific programming skills shifts with each innovation. Just think about it. 10 years ago, blockchain was a niche concept. AI was still in its infancy, and cloud computing was only beginning to dominate. Fast forward to today, and industries are being revolutionized by AI-driven automation, decentralized finance, and immersive digital experiences powered by augmented reality and virtual reality. The languages that once ruled the tech world are now competing with newer, more optimized alternatives designed for speed, scalability, and security. Companies are no longer just looking for programmers who can write code. They need developers who can solve problems, optimize performance, and work with cutting-edge technologies. This means knowing not just how to code, but which languages will be relevant in the future. Another major shift: the rise of specialization. No longer is a one-language-fits-all approach enough. Web development, AI, blockchain, cybersecurity, and game development all require specific languages tailored to their unique demands. This makes it crucial for aspiring programmers and experienced developers alike to choose their next programming language wisely. So what does this mean for you? If you're a beginner, choosing the right programming language could be the difference between struggling to find work and securing a high-paying job at a top tech company. If you're an experienced developer, staying ahead of the curve means adapting to new trends before they become industry standards. But which programming languages will reign supreme in 2025? Which ones will land you the highest-paying jobs and future-proof your career? Some of the classics are still holding strong, but others are emerging as unexpected frontrunners. The tech landscape is shifting, and those who fail to adapt may find themselves left behind. Now, let's uncover the top 5 most in-demand programming languages that you need to master before it's too late. Will your favorite language make the list, or is it time to rethink your coding future? Let's dive in. The world of programming is like an intense battleground. Languages rise and fall, fighting for dominance in an industry that never sleeps. Right now, thousands of companies are making game-changing decisions based on technology trends that will define the future. The question is, which programming languages are leading the charge, and which ones are quietly fading into history? Some languages have stood the test of time, evolving to meet modern demands, while others have surged in popularity almost overnight, catching even experienced developers off guard. The rise of AI, blockchain, cybersecurity, and cloud computing has created an urgent need for specialized skills. But here's the twist: some of the languages you might expect to dominate in 2025 are losing their relevance faster than anyone predicted. For instance, Python, once the go-to language for AI and machine learning, is now facing unexpected competition. New languages optimized for speed and efficiency are threatening its dominance, making developers question whether Python will remain the industry standard. Meanwhile, JavaScript, the king of web development, is being challenged by modern frameworks and runtime environments that promise better performance and security. Could JavaScript finally be dethroned? And then there's the mysterious rise of lesser-known languages. Some of the world's biggest tech companies, Google, Microsoft, and even Tesla, are secretly investing in new programming languages that most developers haven't even heard of yet. These languages are engineered to solve some of the toughest challenges in AI, cloud computing, and cybersecurity, and they're growing at an astonishing rate. If you haven't started learning them, you might already be behind. But the real surprise, some older languages, thought to be outdated, are making a shocking comeback. Driven by industries that rely on stability and security, like finance, aerospace, and cybersecurity, these languages are proving that sometimes the old ways are still the best. What about the languages that are quietly fading into obscurity? Many programmers are investing their time learning languages that may not even be relevant in a few years. Companies are rapidly shifting to more specialized, efficient, and scalable technologies, making some previously popular languages nearly obsolete. Could your current skill set be at risk? The suspense is building, and the stakes are higher than ever. Choosing the right language to master in 2025 could mean the difference between landing a six-figure tech job or struggling to stay relevant in a rapidly changing industry. So, which programming languages are at the top of the list? Which one should you start learning right now if you want to stay ahead of the curve? Let's break down the top 5 most in-demand programming languages of 2025, and trust me, some of them will shock you. The wait is over. It's time to unveil the top 5 most in-demand programming languages of 2025. These are the languages that will dominate the tech world, secure high-paying jobs, and future-proof your career. Some will surprise you, others will confirm what you suspected all along. But one thing is certain, mastering these languages will give you a competitive edge. Number 5. Rust, the silent powerhouse. Rust has been quietly taking over the world of system programming, cybersecurity, and blockchain development. Known for its unparalleled memory safety and blazing fast performance, Rust is now the top choice for companies looking to build secure and efficient applications. Big players like Microsoft, Amazon, and even the US government are investing heavily in Rust, proving that it's here to stay. If you want a language that's safe, fast, and backed by the tech giants, Rust is your answer. Number 4. Go, the cloud computing king. With the rise of cloud-native applications, Golang, has become one of the most sought-after languages. Originally developed by Google, Go is now the backbone of cloud services, microservices, and DevOps. Major platforms like Docker, Kubernetes, and Terraform rely on Go, making it a must-learn for developers who want to work with high-performance, scalable applications. If you're looking to break into cloud computing or back-end development, Go is your golden ticket. Number 3. TypeScript, the JavaScript evolution. JavaScript isn't going anywhere, but TypeScript is taking over. As a superset of JavaScript, TypeScript provides better scalability, security, and developer-friendly features, making it the top choice for modern web development. Companies like Google, Meta, and Arabmim are shifting their code bases to TypeScript, proving that it's the future of front-end and back-end web development. If you're already familiar with JavaScript, learning TypeScript is the smartest move you can make. Number 2. Python, the AI and data science giant. Despite facing competition, Python is still a titan in artificial intelligence, data science, and automation. It powers machine learning algorithms, AI-driven applications, and big data analysis like no other language. With the continued rise of AI, Python remains a must-have skill. However, newer languages are challenging its dominance. Will Python hold its place in the next decade, or will something else replace it? Only time will tell. Number 1. Swift/Kotlin, the future of mobile development. Here's the biggest surprise. Mobile app development is experiencing a massive shift, and Swift, for iOS, and Kotlin, for Android, are taking center stage. With mobile usage growing faster than ever, businesses need high-performance, native apps, and these two languages are dominating the market. If you want to build the next big mobile app or work for tech giants like Apple or Google, Swift and Kotlin are the future. Final thought. These 5 languages are set to dominate the tech industry in 2025 and beyond. The question is, which one will you learn first? Your future in programming starts now. The world of programming is evolving faster than ever, and the languages that dominate today might not hold the same power tomorrow. But one thing is clear, staying ahead means adapting, learning, and mastering the right tools. Whether you choose Rust, Go, TypeScript, Python, Swift, or Kotlin, investing in these skills will open doors to high-paying jobs in cutting-edge technology. Now the question is, which language will you start learning first? Will you ride the wave of AI, dive into cybersecurity, or build the next big mobile app? The future is yours to shape, so what will you create? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Which programming language are you most excited to learn in 2025? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Stay ahead of the curve. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.